Metro Labs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Every parent sends their child to school with one priceless expectation: safety. Every teacher enters the laboratory with one responsibility: learning. Every principal dreams of one achievement: academic excellence. But all three begin from one place: a safe and high-quality laboratory. When parents leave their children at school, they don't just hand over a school bag, they hand over their dreams. They trust that every classroom, every staircase, every playground, and especially every laboratory is safe. That trust cannot be compromised by poor quality laboratory furniture. Many schools invest lakhs of rupees on laboratory equipment, but sometimes they try to save money on laboratory furniture. Unfortunately, that decision becomes expensive later.
Oh no!
Poor quality furniture leads to rust, swollen boards, chemical damage, broken drawers, loose electrical fittings, unsafe working conditions. The laboratory becomes a maintenance problem instead of a learning environment. Imagine buying 2 school buses. One is cheaper, but it breaks down every month. The other costs a little more, but runs safely for 15 years. Which one is actually cheaper? The same principle applies to laboratory furniture. Quality isn't expensive. Replacing poor quality is.
In the mix.
Quality laboratory furniture is specially designed for education. It resists chemicals, heat, moisture, heavy equipment, daily student usage, thousands of practical sessions. Every drawer, every hinge, every worktop, every electrical point must perform safely for years. A warranty is more than a document. It is the manufacturer's promise. It tells the school, we stand behind our product. Without warranty, every repair becomes the school's responsibility. With warranty, the manufacturer shares that responsibility. That's peace of mind. Even the world's best products may need service someday. The real question is, will someone answer when your school calls? A laboratory cannot remain closed for weeks. Students have practical examinations, teachers have lesson plans, CBSE schedules cannot wait. That's why service support is just as important as product quality. A reliable service team keeps education uninterrupted. Let's travel to Japan. Meet Professor Eijiro Miyako, a renowned bioengineer and nanomedicine researcher at Tohoku University. His groundbreaking research is opening new possibilities in cancer treatment. Let's explore how his innovative approach could transform the future of medicine.
Scientists just killed 100% of tumours with a single injection of bacteria from a frog, a genuine amphibious assault. Many tumours fly under the immune system's radar because they're made of the body's own cells, but a bacterial infection is unmistakably foreign, and it drags immune cells straight to wherever it's happening. Which makes us ask the question, what if you could get bacteria to target cancer cells? To hijack this idea, a team at Japan's Advanced Institute of Science and Technology went with their gut instinct, screening 45 bacterial strains pulled from Japanese tree frogs, firebelly newts, and grass lizards. They found that most of them were neutral, but 9 killed cancer cells and 1 took tadpole position, E. americana, a bacterium naturally occurring in the gut of Japanese tree frogs. When the team injected E. americana into the bloodstream of mice with colorectal tumors, the tumor's own leaky blood vessels let the bacteria slip out of circulation and into the tumor site itself. There, because the tumor produces a protein called CD47 which suppresses local immune defenses and helps the tumor go unnoticed, it also meant that the bacteria could evade the body's immune response and establish a colony undisturbed. The center of the tumor is also typically low in oxygen because it's isolated from the local blood supply. But this bacterium thrives on low oxygen environments, so burrowed its way into the tumor's core and began feeding on the tumor's metabolic byproducts, increasing in number 3,000-fold within the first 24 hours. But it didn't take this long for the body to notice it. Just 6 hours after infection, an army of immune cells were already on their way to the tumor site. Neutrophils arrived first, engulfing and destroying that bacteria directly, while also attacking cancer cells that were caught in the crossfire. Drawn in by the same infection alarm, T cells and B cells then flooded in behind them, releasing inflammatory signals and helping the body spot the tumor, bind to it, and destroy it. The result was that a single dose achieved complete tumor elimination in every single mouse tested, beating both the leading cancer immunotherapy drug and standard chemotherapy. But it didn't just stop at curing the tumor. When researchers deliberately re-injected cancer cells into the now tumor-free mice, every single one rejected the new tumors. The immune system had learned to recognize that specific cancer as a threat, the same way it learns to recognize a virus after first infection. This means that this could be the first cancer treatment in history that doubles as its own vaccine, totally leapfrogging the competition. If you like science with riveting results.
Behind every breakthrough is a journey that begins much earlier. Like every scientist, he first explored science as a student in laboratories designed to let young minds experiment safely, confidently, and with curiosity. Every great invention starts with a student who is given the right environment to learn. Today's safe school laboratory could inspire tomorrow's innovator. Schools are not just preparing students for examinations. They are preparing future engineers, doctors, researchers, scientists, and innovators. A quality laboratory is not an expense. It is an investment in every child's future. Because one safe experiment today may become the next world-changing invention tomorrow. At Metro Labs, we believe laboratory furniture is more than just tables and workstations. It is where curiosity becomes confidence, experiments become discoveries, and students become future scientists. If you're planning a new laboratory or upgrading an existing one, choose a partner that delivers not only premium quality laboratory furniture but also dependable warranty, expert installation, and long-term service support. Metro Labs, building laboratories that inspire learning for years to come. Because every great scientist deserves a safe beginning, and every school deserves a laboratory built to last,